Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: charged case, Bluetooth, and location on your phone. Open the Nothing X app and tap to pair. This registers the Ear 2 to your account so they can be located. Once paired, use the app's Find feature to ping the buds or case. Why do this first? Because the device must be associated and visible to emit location and sound. Now move into active searching with real-time directions and sound triggers. Once done with setup, focus on narrowing location. Open the app's last seen map and watch the distance indicator while walking slowly. This provides course guidance. Make the Ear 2 play a loud ping. Sound cuts through clutter and helps find things in cushions or bags. Check clothing pockets, charging case compartments under furniture, and the car systematically. Retrace steps where you used them last. Make sure to listen carefully and pause between moves when you spot or hear them. Pick up the Ear 2 and place them back in the case, then reconnect via the app so settings and location sync. This prevents future issues. If they appear offline, search nearby rooms slowly and check recent locations within 10 to 30 minutes. Batteries can drain and reconnect briefly. If nothing works, enable lost mode in the app and contact Nothing support with serial info. Troubleshoot tip: reboot your phone and toggle Bluetooth/location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.